Sure, here's a simple recipe for a loaded broccoli and chicken casserole. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked and shredded chicken, 3 cups broccoli florets, steamed, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, optional, 2 tablespoons melted butter, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked and shredded chicken, steamed broccoli florets, shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, grated Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix everything until well combined. Transfer the mixture into a greased casserole dish, spreading it out evenly. If desired, in a small bowl, mix the breadcrumbs with melted butter until well combined. Sprinkle this mixture evenly over the top of the casserole. Place the casserole dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 25–30 minutes or until the casserole is hot and bubbly, and the top is golden brown. Once done, remove the casserole from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. This loaded broccoli and chicken casserole makes for a comforting and delicious meal. Feel free to adjust the seasonings or add extra ingredients like diced onions or bell peppers to suit your taste preferences.